Hey everyone, Craig here with CostCertified. One of the key things that you can do within CostCertified is you can update all of your customers' information if you need to. So here I've got Frank Jones under the Client tab. I can open him up and I can take a look at his CRM right off the bat. So if you've done any work with them in the past, their information will show up here. Then if you need to update Frank Jones, if I click on this right now, you see that he's got his phone number in here, we've got his email, but I don't have his address, and I need to get that in there for this next project. I can click on Settings, scroll down, and enter the details in here. So let's go with 476 Stone Drive, and we're going to be in Calgary. And we'll put a postal code in just like that. There we go. Phone number's in there, email's in there. Now we're just going to go save, and it's going to put in all the details here for us. It will save it into the Frank's information page, and you will be good to go. So if I close out of this, Frank's details, if I reopen it again, for example, and I click on Frank's name here in the upper left, you notice that it now has the phone number, the email address, as well as their address in here. So you can do that for any of your customers. If you happen to forget a phone number or anything like that, feel free to just go in and enter it, just like I did today.